Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today, we're diving into a product that could be a game changer for anyone struggling with their DTF or UV printer. The DTF Printer Cleaning Solution Kit. This isn't just another cleaning product. It's presented as a comprehensive solution designed to tackle one of the most frustrating issues in printing, the dreaded clogged printhead. Many users experience incomplete patterns, unsightly horizontal or vertical stripes, or simply a general decline in print quality. These are often direct symptoms of a printhead that's not performing optimally due to dried ink, especially the notoriously problematic white DTF ink. This cleaning kit steps in precisely at this point, aiming to restore your printer's performance without the need for costly replacements. The kit itself is quite thoughtfully put together, making the cleaning process as convenient as possible. It includes a generous 100 ml bottle of the specialized printhead cleaning fluid, which is formulated with an alcohol base for effective dissolution of stubborn ink clogs. Beyond the fluid, users will find a syringe, a yellow nozzle, L-shaped tubes, silicone tubing, and a pump air adapter, a crucial tool for clearing the DTF CISS system. To ensure a mess-free experience, a pair of gloves is also included, along with clear instructions to guide you through each step. The emphasis here is on ease of operation, ensuring that even those new to printhead maintenance can confidently use it. One of the most impressive aspects highlighted is its wide range of compatibility. This cleaning solution is not limited to a few specific models. It's designed to work with virtually all UV DTF printers. This includes popular printheads like the DX5, i3200, XB600, and 4720, as well as printer models such as the L1800, L800, L1390, XB15000, P600, P800, 7880, 7800, P6000, 3880, and 3800. This broad compatibility makes it a versatile tool for a vast number of printer owners. It's important to note a critical caveat. This solution is intended for printheads that are merely clogged, not those that are fundamentally damaged. If a printer is unable to recognize its printhead or is displaying an error message, this cleaning kit will not be the solution. Its purpose is to clear blockages and restore functionality, not to repair electronic or mechanical failures. The cleaning ability is described as excellent, specifically targeting the challenging nature of DTF and UV inks, which are prone to drying and causing frequent clogs. By effectively dissolving these dried ink particles, the solution helps to ensure smooth ink flow and vibrant, consistent prints. Furthermore, the product has undergone strict testing to ensure its effectiveness, and the brand offers technical support, promising responses to all emails within 24 hours, which adds a layer of reassurance for users. This DTF Printer Cleaning Solution Kit appears to be an essential tool for maintaining the longevity and performance of your DTF and UV printing equipment.
Check out the video description for updated price. And thank you for watching this video.